Let's turn on the Minelab Manticore and talk about search modes. Here on the home screen you can find the search mode up to the left, the dark rectangle here. You can see now we're in beach mode, for example. If you want to pick a different mode, you go to settings, you scroll until you find the search modes. Here it is already, and now you just go left and right to pick a different mode. So Minelab, in all of their wisdom, they have already made some pre-designed modes depending on where you are, but they can of course all be customized. So for example, in the all-terrain mode, it's indicated by the barn and the field. There's different sub modes: all-terrain fast, low conductors, high conductors, trash. I'm not gonna go into detail to any of this. Instead, you can pause the video and I will put a slide about it right here. So you can have a look around what the different ones does. In the beach mode, we have beach general, low conductors, deep, surf and seawater. And in the goldfield general, we just have the general one. If you're unsure which one to pick, just go for the general one. Every time you change the search mode, you should do a noise cancel that you also can find here in the settings, and then you just press the noise cancellation button, follow the instructions. I'm indoors now, but when you're in the field, you just lift up the coil and press it, and it will cancel out all the extra noises. Back to the search mode. So for every search mode you can go into the edit bar, and from here you can, for example, read what it says. Whoops, that button. And here's a short description of what it does. If you have been in this one and made some settings on your own, customized it, you can reset it if you want. And you can also make a mode a favorite mode by turning on the star. And that means that when you're in the detecting mode and you want to switch quickly between your current mode and the favorite mode, you press this button here. You can also adjust it to any other button, but by default is this one. And you press it and you see the mode switched. Press it again and I can switch it quickly between different modes, which is really, really handy. But that's everything there is about search modes for today. If you like instructional videos like this, please have a look at my other videos as well. You might find something interesting about the Manticore there. But for now, take care, happy hunting, good luck out there.